SP, are you here?
Well, where else would I be?
Look like I need to optimize your information retrieval algorithm.
I'm already processing 16 terabytes of lines of compressed code per second.
No, that's not what I mean. You can process 4 articles a minute, but you can understand more of them than from terabytes of information. Look, we have 5 different sources. All the articles have the same beginning, but the contents diverge towards the middle, making each one unique, but they have similar facts.
So by highlighting the same words in each of them, I understand the truth of each article and can build on it.
Not really. Sometimes similar things can be unconsciously interpreted as false information. Then, in this case, we highlight from these 5 articles what they are not alike, and that will be the truth.
I can't analyze it. What's the point?
Go through what I recorded about risks again.